Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you how to make taco seasoning rice. This here is gonna take you less than 3 minutes prep. Yes. I heated up the water in advance so I can do this really quick for you. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is. And we're using instant rice. Okay? I mentioned this in my other video. And I said my grandmother makes it all the time. Easy, simple stuff. You don't need a lot of stuff at all. Believe it or not, I probably would have made a whole pot by now just making this video. But anyway, you just need a little bit of butter. I would say about, depend on how you like it. If you want a lot of butter in your rice, or you want a lot of, you can add oil instead, or you can do both. Some people do both because they don't want to burn the butter. So I should have heat this up ahead of time. Sorry, I didn't really actually. I should have heat this up ahead of time, but okay, here's what you do. Put your water, measure water, your rice, and then heat up the pan. Okay? And believe it or not, it would take you more time to heat up than making the product itself. Or, in this case, the rice itself. Now, during the meantime, I'll probably tell you the ingredients. The ingredients, actually, I'm going to link it to this video right here. And I'll have all different recipe. I actually made another recipe of my own, which is from chicken stocks. I love that. Or the beef stocks, one or the other. For this one here, I'm going to do taco seasoning. And yes, you can put peas, beans, mixed vegetables, whatever you want. You can have a whole meal just doing this. This recipe here, I'm doing 2.5 teaspoons because I wanted extra. You're supposed to do 1, 1, and 1. But because I am using different seasoning, it's kind of different from another brand, which I don't want to say. So that's the only difference to that. Since I like my spices, wait, hold on, sorry. Let me get my spices. For this one right here, garlics and herbs are my favorite. So I have to add some of that in. And, oh, the trick to this, heat up your oil, but don't let things burn, okay? Because the whole point of this is not to let things burn. And this is not that salty, so I have to add a little salt in them. And I use salt-free butter. So I add 1 teaspoon to my mixture. Once this heat up like this, take it off the heat so it doesn't get burned. You just want to bring the flavor out in the oil. Okay? Just like that. Just bring the flavor out. Pour your hot water in. Just like that. Okay? And it's going to bring to a rumble boil once you do. Shut off your heat. Throw your rice in. Okay, make sure you have enough. I don't think I measured enough again this time. I like it when it's, you know. Okay, that should be enough right there. And that is it. You are all done. Can you believe that? I'm just mixing it together. I want to speed this process up a little bit, but mix it like that. Leave it alone. Okay? That's it. You're done. We're going to leave it right there, and we'll come back in 5 minutes. Okay, so after, when it's done, you would just fluff them like this right here, and here's what it looks like. I step aside to do other things, and I come back. It's all set. And see how it's separated as well? It's really nice. And remember, adjust your salt to your taste. And here's what it looks like. This is what I have for my meal today. I have just rice, meatballs, and salad. My little salad. I have to have a little salad. Every meal's, yep. Crazy as it sounds, but and I just use ranch dressing. Those are my favorite. But my grandmother made these fast meatballs too. I'll show you that in the next video, how to make those. Well, she don't make them from scratch. She get them all and then dump them all together and put in a pressure cooker. And it's like, I believe it will take you less than 5 minutes to prep that too. And it'll come out really nice and great. That's it. But anyway, I guess that's about it on the video. And I hope you find this video useful. When you have to prep your dinner or whatever. And I hope all these rice recipe would help you to make faster meals. Because that's the whole point of my video, is to make things faster. But that will be up to you if you want to cook them, you know, the older traditional way or not. But for me, I like to make things fast. I like not to waste any time. Blah, 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 blah. Believe it or not, this whole process right here, it probably take me less than 10 minutes to make all this. Including my salad too, yeah. It's crazy as it sounds, but that's how it goes. I just prep all the things ahead of time, and then I go to town with it. I guess that's how you say it. But anyway, I hope that this video was helpful to you, and I hope you would give it a try. That way you don't have to eat like you can eat different fry flavored, or I would say fry flavored or flavored rice recipe, and I'll list them all in the description, and you can see them, and I will also link the video up here too. I usually now start linking a lot of video because I make a lot of video now, so I start to link a lot of stuff. But this is just the stuff that I do to make my life easier. So that's what I do. I just share it, anything that I find things that is useful or fast or whatever, because that's what I like. And that's how I post all my videos up. But anyway, I will see you in the next video.